way ahead of my time, fuck who ain't rockin' with me. Compared to you niggas, Tony way ahead of you niggas. You don't need binoculars to see. That yellow bitch and she driving for me. 40 cal under the passenger seat. Like D-Way since day one been riding with. He had to do what I did to survive in these streets. You already know you don't grind, you don't eat. Can't take no more L's, ain't got time for the fee. To get help from nobody, so I went and got it. I'm honest, man, nothing was promised to me. Ain't no stopping my shine to the top, I'ma climb. Hope I make it on time for my mama to see. My brain is bionic, atomic, I guess like a comic. Teach you about astrology. Fans say they love when I'm riding the beat. I'm good with the flow, I can mop, I can sweep. See niggas be hating, then hop in the whip with a bitch and she got the rap God on repeat. Curse with a blessing on iTunes right now. If you buy it, you feel like you copping the key. Back in 08, I was copping them P's. Now I get paid just to hop on the beat. Someone go tell DJ Drama to holler at me. I Jeffrey Dahmer a B. Go talk to the devil and ask him who is he. He'll tell you he wish he was hotter than me. I'm armed in this bitch, Iverson rocking the sleeve. Goofies get popped when I squeeze. Although I'm cool as a tropical breeze, I will